We are diving straight into fixing the Google Play Services Keep Stopping error on your Android phone, as this service is what keeps your apps updated and running smoothly. The first thing you need to try is restarting your device. It sounds simple, but a quick reboot often clears minor software glitches that cause background services to crash. Once your phone boots back up, see if the error is gone. If the crashing continues, the next step is to update Google Play Services. Open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down, and tap on Apps. From there, select See All Apps, and scroll through the list until you find Google Play Services. Tap on it, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and select App Details. If an update is available, you will see an Update button. Tap it to download and install the latest version. Keeping this service updated ensures compatibility with your other apps. If that does not work, you need to clear the cache. Go back into your main Settings app, tap on Apps, and choose See All Apps. Find Google Play Services again and tap on it. This time, click on Storage and Cache. Then tap on the Clear Cache option. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be corrupted without deleting your personal data. Now, if the issue persists, you have to uninstall and reinstall the updates for Google Play Services. Go back to the Google Play Services settings page, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and select Uninstall Updates. This rolls the service back to its factory version. Right after doing this, you need to go back to the App Details section and tap Update to reinstall the newest version. The important thing is that this reset process usually wipes out any persistent bugs hidden deep in the app data. If absolutely nothing else works, your final option is to factory reset your device. Now, that goes both ways. While a factory reset will completely wipe out the error and make your system run like new, it also erases every single piece of data, photo, and app on your phone. Because of this trade-off, you must back up everything important before proceeding. To do this, open your settings. Tap on General Management. Select Reset, and then tap on Factory Data Reset. Confirm the choice by tapping Reset. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.